Why, hello. This week, I just wanted to remind you that we are doing another Aubis, and it is with the word as. This is a very specific word. Oftentimes you hear it in conversation, but it allows you to describe things that are happening. Okay, so it's a very useful word. Our model sentence this week was, as you can guess, it's a lot of work to make all these videos for our class. So it's almost like there's like an introduction to this statement, right? So the sentence is really, it's a lot of work to make all these videos. But as you can guess, it's just kind of added on as a little bit of voice. So you can almost think of it as this is info and this is voice. So you know how in our nonfiction writing, we've been learning to have both a mix of information and voice? Well, this is a way to do it in the same sentence. It's a lot of work to make all these videos for our class, information, but I can start it with, as you can guess, that's my voice. Let's look at the other one that we looked at. So here the information is we are starting an online math program today. We started yesterday, right? So that's the info. But I can add a little bit of conversation to it by adding voice. And my voice here is, as you may have heard. So I really like as because it allows you to add your voice to information. So as you may have heard, we are starting an online program today. So let's look at a few more sentences, and let's point out where there is where we have voice and information. Shall we? Let's see if this works. Okay. Okay, here we go. As the weather gets warmer, winter animals return to their homes. So the information is winter animals return to their homes, right? But a little bit of conversation, a little bit of voices. As the weather gets warmer in spring, winter animals return to their homes. As you get more comfortable with fractions, you can start to do problems in your head. Again, as you get more comfortable with fractions, you can do problems in your head. As Mutu and Ruku got more sick, Viji realized she had to do something to help them. So as you work today, I want you to think of it like your sentence is giving information, but the as adds a little bit of voice. So like, as it gets warmer, I can play outside more. As you can tell, I've spent a lot of time doing my work, Mr. Lambert, those kinds of things. Okay, so let's get 3 sentences today, just like I did, and make them about what you've read or what you've learned. And we've learned a lot. Make it about math, the nonfiction, capstone. You started your Sheldrake Science yesterday. As you can notice, I did one of those, right? And so you write that in your writer's notebook. And I just want to remind you again to find your notebook. You go to classwork. And then here there's a topic that says capstone and notebooks. So you click there. And here's where your notebook is. Now, I suggest you just having this bookmark so you don't have to do this. And it's always your notebook. Call it your writing notebook. Okay? But if you forget, it's in this folder. All right, good luck today. I can't wait to read your sentences.